Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kiara Villanueva, and for today's video, we're going to have a tutorial for this limited edition. Ayan, so limited edition to guys ng collaboration of Gojo Doc and Nylong. Ayan, so right now yung hawak, actually may mga iba pa silang mini fan, but for this one, this is the Airlight Gojo Doc mini fan. Ayan, collaboration with Nylong. Ayan, so for today's video, we're going to have a tutorial on how to use this, and also to let you know um, some specifications. All of the specifications of this Airlight version of the Gojo Doc mini fan. So yeah, let's go. Let's have a tour. Have a tour. Ayan. So ito siya. The Airlight. Paulit-ulit, no? Ayan. So Airlight, Gojo Doc mini fan, collaboration with Nylong. So ito yung front niya, guys. Ayan. This is the front. So as you can see here, ayan, meron parang glass dito sa harapan. So this is one of the features of the Airlight. Kaya siya ayan, yes. This is the flashlight. Ayan, flashlight to guys. And also, as you can see dito sa harap, dito yung kanyang buttons if you want to kung gusto nating palakasin or pahinaan yung level ng air for this fan. So yeah, we can just press these buttons here. And so later na natin siya i-on. Tour ko muna kayo nang hindi pa siya naka-on. Ganun. So yun, this is the front. Ayan, ito yung kanyang head. Ayan, closer para mas makita nyo ng ayan, diba? Then ito yung kanyang body or yung kanyang hawakan. Ayan, may nakalagay dito na do not put your fingers or foreign matters into the fan net cover. Children under 14 should use the product with the guidance of an adult. See instructions for detailed. Ayan. So, sundin nyo yan, guys. So, yun. Dito sa upper part ng body, ayan, dito yung buttons to lower or to, what do you call this? To higher. Charot. To, ayan. Basta, ito yung button ng fan if you want it to be malakas or mahina, ganun. And also, dito yung kanyang LED light mamaya para makita nyo kung ilang percent na yung air, yung level ng air, ganun. Ayan, so anyway, dito sa may gitna, ayan, dito yung may konting instruction dito. And then sa lower part naman, ayan, nandito si Nylong and also the logo of the Gojo Doc here. So that's all for the front part. And then so sa likod naman tayo, or side, sige sa side muna. So sa side, ito yung kanyang look. Ayan, side view. So this is the upper part, may logo dito ng Gojo Doc. Then dito naman sa body, ayan, so nandito yung meron ditong cute na Nylong. Ayan, ito si Nylong sa bandang gitna. So yan, that's for the right side. Ayan, so sa left side naman, same lang naman siya, pero dito walang logo ng Gojo Doc. So sa kabila lang meron. Then dito, yun, dito ano da? Ayun, so dito naman sa kabila, sa left side, ayan, so meron ulit si Nylong. Super cute, lalo na in person to guys. Ayan. And then so that's all for the right and left sides. And sa likod naman, so this is how it looks. So dito muna tayo sa upper na part. So this is it. So yeah, silipin nyo muna guys. Ayan. Sure, ayan. So yan, that's for the head part. And then dito naman sa may upper part nung kanyang body. Ayan. So, as you can see dito yung kanyang charging port sa taas. Then, sa baba ng charging port, ito yung button ng flashlight, which is yung kanina yung nasa harap. And then, under the button of the flashlight, dito naman yung ating on and off power button. So, yun. So, once again, charging port, button for the flashlight, and the on and off power button. And then, sa lower part naman, sa gitna pala. Yan, dito nyo makikita yung kanyang... Wait lang, nagbe-blur. Wait. So, dito sa gitnang part, guys, is, may details dito about the fan, like the brand, the model, something like that, the product name, product, and etc. Ayan, so dito yung details niya on the middle part. And then, dito naman sa may lower part, meron siyang ganito. Ayan, so, this can serve as stand, ganyan. Nagiging, para pwedeng siyang itayo. And then also you can do this. Ayan, so this is one also of the feature of this Airlight mini fan of the Gojodoc X nylon collaboration. So anyway, open na natin siya ngayon, guys. So to open this, we just have to long press the on and off power button here at the lower part of this. So yeah, long press lang natin siya. Ayan, mga 2 seconds, and then naka-open na siya. So as you can see here, guys, ayan yung kanyang LED light sa taas ng dalawa na to. So this is, you have to press this if you want na palakasan yung air. So as you can see, for now, level 1 pa lang tayo. So press natin siya. Ayan, so this is the level 20. And then, so press again for level 40. So 2020 yung kanyang interval. Interval, ano daw? Basta yung 2020, every pressing, ganun. So, press natin siya ulit. 60, level 60. Level 80, and yung pinakamalakas is, of course, level 100. Ayan. Then, kung gusto natin siya pahinaan, ito sa kabila, sa left side. So, meron naman siyang plus and negative sign. Ayan. So, ayan. You just have to press this if you want na pahinaan siya. And then, yan. And then, also, ito yung flashlight once again. So, para ma-open natin siya, we just have to press the button here at the middle part. Ayan. So, meron naman siyang sign dito na flashlight. So, you can just easily see it. So, you just have to press this 2 seconds lang din. 1, 2. Ayan. So, as you can see, ito na yung flashlight niya. And then, ayan. So, sa flashlight niya, guys, meron siyang parang 3 klase. So, you just have to single press para makita mo yung ibang klase niya. So, ito yung first style of the flashlight. Then, press mo siya ng 1 beses for the second style. Ayan. I think yung second style is mas maliit yung coverage. Coverage, tama ba? Mas maliit yung flash, yung light, ayan, compare sa pinakauna. And then yung third naman is nagbi-blink siya. Ayan, so ulit. First style malaki, second style maliit, and yung third style niya is nagbi-blink. And then para ma-off mo siya, press mo lang siya ulit. So yun, and then para ma-off mo siya, press mo lang to ulit ng 2 seconds. And then yun nga, this one, ito pala yung ilalim niya, guys. Ayan, hindi ko pa napakita kanina. And also, this is the front. Ayan, so, this is how it looks like overall. And then, pwede mo siyang itayo ng ganyan. Charan! So, I think napakita ko na lahat ng features niya and how to use this Airlight mini fan of Gojodoc in collaboration with Nylon. So, if you wanna order this, guys, you can just click the link below, or if you could see the banner here at the bottom of the video, so you can just click that, and yeah, you're gonna go to the shopping page and you can just order there. And also, once again, guys, limited edition lang to. collaboration ni Gojo Doc with Nylong. So, ayun, para hindi kayo maubusan, habang meron pang stocks, order na kayo. Ayan, so, that's all for this video and thank you so much for watching and bye-bye!